us in the studio for about 50. Whoops! I have to work. Move! You're so evil. Move! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, what did you do?